Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, July the 8th, 2021. The daily newspaper, we have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and I believe in this newspaper there are no extra Sudokus. Let me scroll the pages. Yes, no extra Sudokus. So let me decide to continue with the yesterday's newspaper with the additional. I have three puzzles left. Here is the yesterday's newspaper. Wednesday, July the 7th. Those four puzzles I have solved. So I will do these three later on. But first, we will solve this baby. And this baby will be number 3065. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars, yes. And for a 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Alright. And now we have a pair, I see. 7 and 8 in the third row. 7 and 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. Yes, 7 and 8. Alright. Okay. 8, Yeah. Let me think. How about the number 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4, 8 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, and the 4 are missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. There 9, no 9 there. And here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 left in the third row should be here. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. There 4, no 4 here. So the only place for the 4 in the third row should be there. Alright, so we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 2 should be there in the third row. Alright, 2 numbers left now in the third row. Those numbers are the 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6 in the third row. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. You see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then 6, 1. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 1 is missing. We see here the 3 and the 6 in this column, the middle column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Alright. One number left in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright. 3, 6. Then 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 3, 6, 9. Yeah. 9. Okay. Well. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? These 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. Alright. One of the missing number in this row, 3 missing numbers, is the 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. There 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 in this row should be here. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 8 and 3. And look, we have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Alright. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. Alright. 1 number left in the first column for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 9. 6 and 9. Can I feel this yet? No. Here also 6 and 9. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. But we have a 9 there. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. Yes. And I'm pleased with the time, because I've told you 15 to 20 minutes. I've solved this in 15 minutes. And pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the medium Sudokus, playlists for the heavy Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, for the quintuplets, for the killer Sudokus, for the 1-star, 2-stars, 3-stars, and the 4-star Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, for the letter Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, and we will meet again very soon with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.